Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Walgreens was particularly crazy this morning because the system was down, so it made things just a bit more challenging. I still have a haul that I want to share with you, but just a heads up, when I was there just a couple hours ago, I was not able to pay with my Walgreens cash, and if I was shopping in store, my digital coupons were not working. So I actually placed my orders as curbside orders, and my digital coupons worked without any issues. So in the video, I'm going to break it down and show you what the in-store deal would look like, as well as what the curbside option would look like as well. At the very end of the video, I will show you pictures of items that I saw on clearance when I was in the store, as well as talk with you about some of the best grocery deals that are going on this week that you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for. Just a couple of quick announcements. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that red subscribe button. If you click that little bell, you will get a notification each time I post a new video. That way you never miss out on a deal. If you're participating in my savings challenge, we have saved $45 so far this month. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will drop the link below. We are doing a savings challenge for the month of January, and I would love for you to join us. Last quick announcement, and I've mentioned this before, but I want to mention again because it is a great deal. If you don't already have the Miles app, grab it using my referral code because you get a shot at a $100 Amazon gift card. So all you have to do is take 5 trips, and that could be walking, jogging, biking, Ubering, driving, bus riding, basically any form of travel. 5 trips of at least 2 miles each, and then refer 5 friends who do the same thing, and you will score a $100 Amazon gift card. So that's something I wanted to let y'all know about. Okay, let's talk about the deals. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen a little bit different than normal. I'm gonna show you what it would look like in the store, as well as what it would look like if you're doing it as a curbside deal, because I thought that might be helpful for you. Let me know what you think of that if you prefer that new format. Normally, I just show you what it looks like the way I did it, which tends to be curbside. I like curbside because I go through Rakuten and get cash back. I also always know that my digital coupons are applying the correct way. I can use promo codes, which gives me additional cash, not cash back, but additional money off. So I just prefer the curbside option, and it worked out great this morning because the in store, the digital coupons weren't working, but when I placed my orders via curbside, the digitals were coming off without any issues. Okay, so let's talk about the Colgate deal this week. They are buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. They are $2.99 each, so you want to grab 2 of them for $5.98. There are 2 different $2 coupons, so that takes $4 off. You'll pay $1.98. You'll get $4 in Walgreens cash back, making it free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, if you place it as a curbside deal, use the code NEWU because that's going to give you an additional 20 cents off, making it an even better moneymaker. Now, when I was in the store, I saw a ton of sunscreen marked 90% off. So these copper tone sunscreens were marked $1.19. Now, there was a $2 digital coupon. In store, if I buy one at $1.19 and I try to use a $2 coupon, it is not going to attach because the coupon value exceeds the price of the product, so it's not going to attach. If you buy 2 of them, so your total is above $2, that $2 digital coupon would attach, making these just 19 cents each. However, because the system was down, my coupon didn't attach, so I paid $1.19 each. But once that system is back up and going, your $2 digital will attach, making them just 19 cents. So awesome deal if you can find that on clearance. A deal on the Poise pads. These are $5.99. Check your coupons because I had a store coupon as well as a manufacturer coupon, and those can stack together. So the manufacturer coupon was $3 off. The store coupon was $2 off. So my final cost on this was just 99 cents. Now, if you use the Fetch Rewards app, scan your receipt to fetch because you should get some points back for purchasing Poise products. Now this one here is a curbside only deal. What I said about these, where if the value of the coupon exceeds the price of the item, it's only gonna work curbside. So this bar, this Aveeno bar, is $2.89. There's a $3.50 digital that's attaching to this, making this completely free for a curbside order. Now, this one was probably my favorite deal this week. These are $1.88 on sale, the Cheerios are. I grabbed the Honey Nut Cheerios, I grabbed 2 of them. There was $1.50 off 2 digital coupon, so I paid just $2.26. But then there is a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, so you're gonna get that back for each of them, so 50 cents back on Ibotta, making your total cost $1.76 or just 88 cents each. And if you're placing as curbside, you can use the code NEWU, and it's gonna give you an additional 22 cents off, making them just 77 cents each. Now, I ordered 2 of these for curbside pickup. As you can see, I only have one on the table. They only had one in stock, so they adjusted my order down to be just one. Now, the cool thing, and the reason I'm telling you this, is that $1.50 coupon still came off. So my final cost was still amazing for the box of cereal, even though they only ended up having one of them. So that was pretty cool. Now, the Suave deal. Okay, these Suave body washes are priced at $2 each. They're on promotion for buy 2, get a $4 register reward. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $3, you'll get a $4 register reward back, making them completely free and a $1 moneymaker. If you place it as a curbside order, use the code NEWU, and it's gonna take off an additional 30 cents, making it an even better moneymaker. And that $4 register reward, even though the system was down, the register reward still printed when I did my curbside pickup. It is a store register reward, not a manufacturer register reward. Now, I did this Revlon deal here. I did 2 different Revlon deals. I grabbed this Revlon Kiss, priced at $3.69. I grabbed this because I had a $3 digital coupon, making it just 69 cents. Now, if you're doing curbside, use that code NEWU, and it's gonna take off an additional 7 cents. The other Revlon deal I did was the promotion this week is spend 10, get a $3 register reward. The cool thing is I had a $10 manufacturer coupon. So I purchased 2 of these eyeshadows at $5.19 each. That $10 digital coupon came off, leaving me to pay 38 cents or just 19 cents each. But I also got that $3 register reward when I purchased these, making it an awesome moneymaker. And that $3 register reward is a manufacturer register reward. The Scott products are buy one, get one half off. So I grabbed one of the paper towels at $5. The toilet paper is also $5, but since it's buy one, get one half off, one is gonna ring up $2.50. So that's $7.50. I had a $1 digital for each of those. So I paid just $5.50 for these, or $2.75 a piece. Great price and super easy deal. Now, let's talk about some of the grocery deals. So I noticed that the Smucker's jelly is $2.99. You could use $2 in Walgreens cash, paying just 99 cents out of pocket. Now, if you want to do PB&J sandwiches, there was peanut butter also for $3.99. Use $3 in Walgreens cash, just 99 cents out of pocket. The Campbell's soup is 2 for $4. You could use $4 in Walgreens cash once the system comes back up. Pay nothing out of pocket. The Mott's apple juice is 2 for $5. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, nothing out of pocket. The Boom Chicka Pop, that popcorn, the purple bag is super good. The kettle corn one is the one I like. They're also 2 for $5, so use $5 in Walgreens cash. Raisins were 2 for $4, which is a great price. And then there are Oscar Mayer hot dogs that are buy one, get one free. Online, they're 2 for $7. So buy one, get one free means 2 for $3.50 or just $1.75 per pack of hot dogs. And I want to say there was one more deal I saw. Oh, it was Cheez-Its. They were 3 for $5, so you could use $5 in Walgreens cash on that as well. If y'all have any questions about this stuff, let me know. As I'm saying that, I realized I forgot to tell you about the aluminum foil. This is just a super simple sale deal. The aluminum foil is 2 for $2, which is just $1 a piece. You could use Walgreens cash to pay for this. You could use Register Rewards to pay for this. Honestly, I think every single thing I got, you could use Walgreens cash or Register Rewards to pay for. And still get your Walgreens cash or your Register Rewards back. The only spend deal was on the Revlon, but since I had that $10 coupon, I'm already meeting the spend requirement based on my coupon. The other sale deal, and this is the last one I'll tell you about, no coupons needed. I posted this over on my Instagram. The Purex laundry, both the liquid and the packs are on sale this week for $1.99. So super simple deal there as well. If y'all have questions, let me know. Hope you have a great start to your week. Thanks.